Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off the sleep mode on Windows 11. So of course, if you have, first of all, if you have a PC that contains Windows 11, just go and open it up. But of course, if you have a Windows 10, simply you would like to go to your settings and upgrade into Windows 11, and of course it is totally free. And of course you can let the Windows 11 download into your background of your PC, into the background of your PC while you're using your PC with no problem. It might be a bit slower if your PC is not a good one, but it's not gonna be a big problem. And once everything is done, once it's downloaded, you'll be notified so you can actually restart or reboot your PC. And once you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 already installed into your PC. And of course, even you will have a recovery points, so you can actually go back to your Windows 10 if you want to. And as you said, you would like to turn off the sleep mode on the Windows 11. So of course, first of all, we would like to go to Power and Battery tab. So simply click at the Windows key, type Power and Battery, and click on it. And of course, once you are here, you'd like now to click on this Screen and Sleep. And of course, as you can see, when plugged in, turn off my screen after 5 minutes. When plugged in, put my device to sleep after. So if you want to turn off this sleep mode automatically, just go here and never, and do never, and here and do the same never. And now you turned off the sleep mode, and it will never put to sleep unless you press here and go to this power button, then put it to sleep manually. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.